Welcome, welcome. That's right. This is Nothing But Kitchen. And I'm Thane. And this is
Joe.
All right. What is for dinner?
Chicken.
See that back there? And fries. All done in the FABERWARE air fryer. That's right.
Oh, yeah.
And this time, what I'm doing with the chicken, this is what we're going to try. Let's hope I don't burn it. But I kind of coated it with flour. I want to see if we can get some crispy. That's right. Crispy.
Crispy
Chicken.
chicken.
So I done already pre-coated it. I had it marinate in little sauce right there. Basically, that's nothing but like, I use egg and to kind of coat. And then I put my old school bag. Come on now. I don't get all fancy and pretty and have it somewhere. I got a bag and got the flour with all the seasoning and all the good stuff in there. And that's what I do. So let's go ahead and stick this bad boy in there.
And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notification and click that like button and check out my mommy's Instagram page.
Air fryer.
And press that like button and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And check out Mommy's rest of the videos. Up here, down here, right here, and up here. And to the other side right there.
There it goes.
Yep, it is there. Actually, you see our bushes right there. Right there. It looks really weird.
And along with that chicken, I'm doing salad and kit.
Oh, that's so disgusting.
You can actually get this from your local grocery store. It fully has everything in it, even the dressing. I like these. I might just make him eat some.
You know what?
See, check that out.
She's corny. She's corny. My mom
It comes with all the stuff in the bag.
Dude, what did you do?
I didn't want it to fall on the floor, so I shook it over.
Salad for now and on and
I just basically dump this in there. Open up the rest of the kit. What is this? Oh, it's a Southwest.
Why are you melting the air fryer?
You can decide if you want to put like these chips and stuff.
Go.
I'ma use it.
I'm so excited. Okay, never mind. I'm not
Dump
excited.
that in there.
Everybody doesn't know how old I am. I'm 5 years old. Action figures.
Ooh, it's a storm.
Oh no, it's about to rain.
Again.
I hope the internet doesn't go off. For now. Oh, I dropped. There must be ants right here. Some days at our new house, there have been ants right there actually, so yeah. I'm not talking about this today.
So, you just pile everything in there
Yeah.
in a bowl.
Oh,
and you
a bowl?
just cover it.
Shake, 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 shake,
Shake
shake,
it up.
shake, shake, shake.
And there you have it. Salad kit.
Oh, that looks weird.
It's yummy.
I hate salad. But I don't really eat
He
it.
hates anything that deals with greens, vegetables, or healthy anything.
Let me tell you, What is my favorite dinner? Chicken nuggets and hot dogs.
And what's the dessert in your hand right there? I thought you was finna show that.
Oreos. Stop dancing, I hate it. Stop. Stop it.
Look. You got
Oh. High five. Bam. High five. Just for YouTube. And she forgot to wear the whole Gadget shirt. And get the merch for free. It's for free.
No, it ain't.
Oh. It's coming out for next week, actually, so.
No, it ain't.
What day is it coming out?
Well, just hush. I ain't even considered that. Oh, yes, baby. It's coming out crisp.
And actually, go to the bathroom. No, I wouldn't say that.
Because you don't need to be way back here. This is hot.
It's
It's
hot.
very, yeah. You can feel the heat, like literally right here. See? Exactly. So I don't need you too close.
I'm just kidding. I'm cringy. You know what I'm saying?
Even though you can
Cringy.
feel heat, it's not that hot. So it doesn't illuminate hot like a stove. That's why I like this so much better.
If I stay far,
Your house is not hot
yeah.
using this at all. It is perfect.
Like,
Pause this and I'm gonna flip it. Pause it and flip it. Pause it and flip it.
I love step stools. And I like this one because it makes me even more higher. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8 feet. So it's 8 feet for me to make it high. Bam. And also, look at this. You get to eat it. No, it's a toy. You can choke. You get to choke. Let's put that back. Because it's choke. Choke, choke, choke. Choke.
All righty. So, chicken's over there.
80, 81, 82, 83, 84,
I'm gonna let that cool. I'm gonna start these fries. I've already had them out, then I did a little seasoning salt on them. Put them in the air fryer. I remember this one, 325, and I always do like 12 minutes, and they come out so nice and crispy.
Mommy, I counted to 100.
Good job, son. Where's 325? There it is.
1.
There you have it. See the chicken got a little crispy on it. So it is possible. You can make crispy chicken in the air fryer. So there will be no doubters.
1, 2, 3,
Open up the inside.
4, 5,
Yep.
6,
Well
7,
done.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
What the whole deck of set. Yep, it is good. And there's the fries. All nice and crispy.
I want to say bye. Bye, guys.
All right, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's what we're having for dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Fried chicken, salad, and French fries.
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching.
And peace out and subscribe. Bye, guys. I love you.
Oh, and don't forget, I'm not a chef, but I do
like to cook.